Well, today's project is going to be installing my old winch onto my new bumper. And this project is actually turning into be a little bit more involved than I was originally planning, so I thought I'd take you guys along for the ride. I'm actually going to have to do some modification to the new bumper, and it's because of the type of winch I have here. I've got this post on the back that I'm going to have to install that holds the electronics for the winch. So let's get the old one off here. So the winch is a good 8,000 pound worn winch I've had for a long time. And yes, I need a new cable for it. I'm probably gonna go synthetic rope, but I just want it installed. The cable that's on it right now, it's frayed a bit. Gotta get that taken care of. But this is the box I gotta mount. So I'm just kind of dry fitting it here. There's that, I have to cut that post off of my other bumper and weld it on here. Yeah, I don't want it in front of the headlights, so I think just like it was, just right in the middle. Yeah, that should be just right. So let's get to cutting and welding. Now when I'm done with this post, it needs to be 11¼ inches tall, 11¼ inches. All right, we moved inside where we can work in the shade. It's getting pretty hot and sunny out there. Let's dry fit this bar. 11¼ right? We are too short. We are 10¾ So I'm gonna flip it around this way. Yep, perfect. So how it was setting down on that other one here, and apparently that's too short now. But that is the perfect height, so I'm just gonna trim that up a little bit. I'll just weld it on like that. It's just holding that control box, doesn't need to be super strong, so I think one little weld on it will be just fine. Create a little surface to weld to. What was originally supposed to be a quick half-hour, hey, let's put the winch on the Jeep. 4 bolts, easy, has turned into quite the ordeal. But we'll get it done here. Got a good grounding spot under here. Well, not the prettiest weld, but it's on there. That'll work. Let's bolt it on. All right, got my wires run up through the grill here, zip tied on, keeping it away from everything hot and all the moving parts. Got it wired up to the battery now, so let's give it a quick test. Sweet, we are in business. Now I do still need to put my fair lead on here. I have one ordered, so I'm gonna hold off on that until it arrives. Not gonna hook the hookup yet, but that'll do for now.